Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily create or use the Google Sheets for multiple users. So in here, I created this Google Sheets file, and let's say I want to share it with the other user, which for example, my partner or maybe my friend, uh, so they can use also this sheet or fill in the date some data to the sheets. So what you need to do, just click on this. You can see now the current status is private only to me, so just click on this share button, and you can just add the person or the users that you want to add into this Google Sheets file, for example like this. And you can choose to notify them or not, and choose their role. So if you want to make them as user, you can just click on editor here, their role, and after that click on send. Okay, so after you click on send, now the status is changed from private to shared. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.